Hello, friends. It's cafecito time. Today, I'm here to share with you some fun coffee gadgets and accessories I bought. So I thought it'd be fun today to just do an unboxing and show you some, I guess you could say, coffee gear, and share with you what I bought. But first of all, I wanted to say we hit 200 subscribers on the channel. Yay! So I'm very happy about that. And I did promise to do a giveaway when I hit 200 subscribers. So be on the lookout for a video coming real soon for a giveaway. I don't know exactly yet what that giveaway is going to be, but I have some ideas. So hope you have subscribed to the channel. And if you're new, welcome, House of Sid. My name is Veronica, and today we're going to talk about some fun coffee accessories. You guys ready? Let's start this. So we'll have a little coffee after. So the first thing I bought was this holder. It's a Vertuo Line coffee capsule holder for the Nespresso. And I do have a box, like a tray, storage for the capsules that I had previously from my K-Cups. And that actually is working out okay, but I needed more room for the capsules, and I wanted to have a more of a display, not just in the little drawer over there. So I bought this one on Amazon, and I will leave you guys a link below if you're interested or if you like it and want to get it as well. So this is what it looks like. Oh, okay, so no assembly required. It just all comes one piece. Does it spin? Oh, it's supposed to spin. There it goes. So it does spin. So let's get some capsules so I can show you exactly how it works. And it says it will fit 20 capsules. So let's go get 20 capsules. So here are the capsules that come in these boxes. And it should be 10 in each box. So let's see how this works. I'm going to show you here. Oh, okay. You just slide them down. Whoops. So we're going to slide them in here. So one more. And I guess you could have different varieties here. This is the Mexico coffee, in case you're wondering. And this is espresso capsule. Oh, that's pretty cool. And I wanted one that kind of displayed them so it's easier to see what capsules I have and I'm going to use. And also because of the pretty colors. So it should hold 2 full boxes of capsules. And you don't have to use every, you can use different coffees for every one here if you like. I'm just showing you, sampling it. Voila, there you go. So that's what it looks like when it's all full of capsules. So I'll be able to put this on my counter when I make the coffee. I could just look at it and say, hey, I'm going to use this one today. And how do you, I guess you just take them off from the top. So it does spin. So yeah, you would just take it from the top. So I guess it would be best to put all the same capsules because if you mix the capsules in each line, you'd have to move them to get one from the bottom. So yeah, there it is. Pretty cool. I could probably put some here in the middle. Okay, this box is too big. Let's see if the smaller box fits. Nope, it doesn't fit. So never mind that suggestion. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I like it. I just got it. I haven't used it at all. And it does come in different finishes. This is the, like the silver. Does it have a thing? Let me check the name. It doesn't, but I know on the website they have one that's like the silvery platinum color. They have black one, and they also have a gold tone. And I think they even have a rose gold. So depending on your kitchen, on your setup, on your color scheme, you could get one to match. So this is mine. I like it. It looks pretty. Look at the colors. So there it is. My unboxing of the Vertuo Line coffee capsule holder. There are other ones that hold more, but they're bigger, so I didn't want anything too big because I already have the drawer, just something to display them and make them look kind of nice. So we'll put this to the side. Okay. Another thing I bought, which I was actually very excited to get, now that I have the Nespresso machines, I want to try and learn how to make like latte art, cappuccino art, but it's really not that easy. And I've been practicing a little bit, but then I found stencils. These are stencils for your coffee so you can make latte art. Isn't that cool? It's like, why are you going to go through all that trouble when you can just get a little stencil for your, look at that. There's a Hello Kitty, Christmas tree, Mickey, some kind of little tree with hearts, love, happy birthday. Wouldn't that be cool? You make a latte for someone and then you put the little happy birthday. Cute surprise. This is just like maybe like a snowflake. I don't know. That's another pretty one. Little stars. So I think it said it comes with 20, 16, I'm not sure. That one's pretty. Just a little kind of geometric design. More flowers. Snowflake. Another design. Ooh, pumpkin for Halloween. That one kind of looks like a Christmassy type flower. But anyways, these are stainless steel, so they are washable. They had some that were plastic, but according to the reviews, the pattern didn't come out as nice or as good with the plastic one, so I wanted to try the stainless steel. I will be making a video using these, but I just wanted to share the stencils. They look like they're fun, and you could use either cinnamon or cocoa powder. So when you make your coffee, you put the foam and then you would sprinkle it to make the design on the foam. Oh, and it also comes with a little ring here to hold it, which is pretty cool. This way you don't lose them. You have them all together. I like it. I haven't even tried them yet, but I like it. So there you go, my little stencils for my latte art. And I will be making another video sharing how to actually use them and what it looks like. That's it. That's just my short little video today showing you unboxing of my coffee